Welcome to Rare CoinX Secret, where every coin tells a story and hidden treasures come to life. Imagine finding a golden dollar coin in your pocket that could make you rich overnight. Yes, some Sacagawea $1 coins are worth thousands of dollars today. In this video, we will reveal the top 4 rare Sacagawea dollar coins that turned ordinary collectors into lucky treasure hunters. Stay tuned, because if you find one of these in your change, you might be holding a small fortune in your hand. Number 1. To understand why the 2001 Sacagawea dollar captures so much attention, we have to travel back to the year 2001. America stood at a turning point in history. The nation was entering a new century filled with technological innovation, economic change, and cultural transformation. The excitement surrounding the new millennium was still fresh in people's minds. At the same time, the United States Mint was working to establish a new dollar coin series that officials hoped would finally gain widespread public acceptance. The Sacagawea dollar had debuted the previous year with tremendous publicity, and millions of Americans were encountering the distinctive golden-colored coin for the very first time. Unlike previous dollar coins, the Sacagawea dollar carried a deeply meaningful design. The obverse featured Sacagawea, the young Shoshone woman whose courage and knowledge helped guide the famous Lewis and Clark expedition through vast and unfamiliar territory. Carrying her infant son on her back, Sacagawea became a symbol of strength, endurance, and leadership. The image struck a powerful emotional chord because it represented not only exploration but also determination in the face of extraordinary challenges. Every time someone held the coin, they were holding a small piece of American history. The reverse design of the 2001 Sacagawea dollar featured a soaring eagle surrounded by 17 stars, symbolizing the states that made up the Union during the Lewis and Clark expedition. The eagle seemed to leap from the surface of the coin with a sense of motion and freedom. Collectors admired the artistry, but many were paying attention to something even more important. They were watching the production process. Whenever a new coin series is introduced, experienced numismatists know that unexpected varieties and mint errors often emerge, creating opportunities for remarkable discoveries that may remain hidden for years. The Philadelphia Mint, identified by the small P mint mark beneath the date, produced enormous quantities of Sacagawea dollars in 2001. Massive presses operated continuously, striking coin after coin as production teams worked to meet demand. Every die, every planchet, and every striking operation had to function with incredible precision. Yet even in the most advanced minting facilities, perfection is impossible. Tiny variations develop. Dies wear down. Equipment shifts. Human oversight occasionally misses a subtle detail. These small imperfections are what transform ordinary coins into collector treasures. One of the first things collectors inspect on a 2001 Sacagawea dollar is the strike quality. Under proper lighting, the details of Sacagawea's face, her hair, the folds of clothing, and the features of her infant son should appear sharp and well-defined. On some examples, however, weakness in the strike becomes visible. Certain areas may appear softer or less detailed than expected. These weak strike varieties occurred when striking pressure varied during production. Although subtle, these differences fascinate collectors because they provide evidence of the conditions inside the mint at the exact moment the coin was created. As the years passed, specialists began identifying examples showing interesting die cracks. These occur when the die itself develops fractures after repeated use. When metal flows into the crack during striking, a raised line appears on the finished coin. To the untrained eye, it may look insignificant. To an experienced collector, it is a clue that reveals part of the coin's production history. Some die cracks become extensive enough to create dramatic visual effects, adding both character and collector interest to the coin. The excitement grows even further when discussing die chips and cuds. A die chip forms when a tiny piece of the die breaks away, leaving a raised blob of metal on the struck coin. A cud is a larger version of this phenomenon, often appearing near the rim. These features are not damage. They are mint-created characteristics that originated during production. Finding a significant die chip, or cud, on a 2001 Sacagawea dollar can turn an ordinary coin search into a thrilling discovery, especially when the era is well documented and sought after by collectors. Then there are off-center strikes, among the most visually dramatic mint errors in modern coinage. An off-center strike occurs when the planchet is not properly aligned between the dies before the strike takes place. The resulting coin displays a portion of the design missing, while a blank area appears elsewhere. Depending on the severity and condition, these errors can attract substantial collector interest. The same is true for broad strikes, which occur when the collar fails to contain the metal during striking, allowing the coin to expand beyond its normal dimensions. Collectors also pay close attention to doubled dies. These fascinating varieties originate during die creation and can produce visible doubling in letters, numbers, or design elements. Under magnification, certain details may appear duplicated or separated. The discovery of a genuine doubled die often generates excitement because such varieties represent permanent characteristics transferred to every coin struck from that die. The possibility that one could still be hiding in an old collection continues to motivate treasure hunters across the country. Another category of error that captures attention involves wrong planchet strikes. These rare mistakes occur when a coin is struck on a blank intended for a different denomination. The result can be a coin with unusual weight, size, or color characteristics. While such errors are uncommon, they represent some of the most dramatic production mistakes the mint can make. When authenticated by professional grading services, wrong planchet errors often command strong premiums due to their rarity and visual appeal. Yet even after discussing all these varieties, we have not reached the discovery that keeps many collectors awake at night. The most intriguing aspect of the early Sacagawea Dollar series is the realization that significant treasures can remain hidden for years before anyone notices them. History has repeatedly shown that seemingly ordinary coins can reveal extraordinary secrets long after they leave the mint. Every roll searched, every inherited collection examined, and every forgotten coin jar opened creates another opportunity for discovery. That possibility is what makes the 2001 Sacagawea Dollar so captivating. Most examples are worth modest amounts, especially in circulated condition. Value depends on rarity, condition, grading, collector demand, and the presence of recognized varieties or errors. However, exceptional examples, high-grade specimens, and unusual mint-produced errors can attract serious attention in the marketplace. The difference between an ordinary coin and a highly desirable collectible often comes down to details that only careful examination can reveal. So before you spend another golden dollar coin, take a closer look. Examine the date. Locate the Philadelphia mint mark. Study the portrait, lettering, stars, eagle, rim, and edge. Use magnification. Compare details. Look for anything unusual, because somewhere among the millions of Sacagawea dollars produced in 2001 may still be hidden examples waiting to be discovered. And the next remarkable find could be sitting unnoticed in a place you would never expect. Next up. Stop before you spend another golden dollar coin, before you toss loose change into a jar, before you walk past that dusty collection inherited from a parent or grandparent. There is something you need to know. Somewhere in America right now, hidden among ordinary-looking dollar coins, are 2000 Sacagawea dollars that have become the focus of intense collector attention. Most people see them and think they are worth exactly $1. They see a golden-colored coin, glance at the date, and move on. But experienced collectors know a secret that transforms an ordinary coin hunt into an extraordinary treasure hunt. They know that certain examples from the very first year of the Sacagawea Dollar series contain fascinating varieties, unusual mint errors, and historical significance that continue to excite the numismatic community more than 2 decades later. And what makes this story even more thrilling is that many of these coins entered circulation alongside millions of completely ordinary examples, making it possible that hidden treasures remain undiscovered to this very day. The year 2000 was unlike any other. America had entered a brand new millennium filled with optimism, technological innovation, and anticipation about the future. The internet was rapidly changing everyday life. Businesses were embracing digital technology. families across the nation celebrated the arrival of a new century. Amid this atmosphere of excitement, the United States Mint launched one of its most ambitious coin programs in decades. Officials hoped the Sacagawea dollar would finally succeed where previous dollar coin programs had struggled. They wanted a coin that Americans would recognize instantly, a coin that would be meaningful, distinctive, and practical for circulation. What emerged from the Denver Mint was a dollar coin that would eventually become one of the most talked-about modern issues among collectors. Unlike traditional silver-colored coinage, the Sacagawea dollar possessed a rich golden appearance that immediately set it apart. Although it contained no actual gold, its color was specifically chosen to distinguish it from quarters and other circulating denominations. The obverse featured Sacagawea carrying her infant son, Jean-Baptiste. This image was powerful because it honored a real historical figure whose courage helped shape the course of American exploration. Sacagawea was not merely a guide. She became a symbol of resilience, leadership, and determination. Her inclusion on a circulating coin represented a significant moment in American numismatic history and introduced millions of people to a story that had often been overlooked. The reverse design displayed a soaring eagle surrounded by 17 stars. The eagle symbolized freedom, ambition, and national identity. The 17 stars represented the states of the Union at the time of the Lewis and Clark expedition. Together, the designs created a coin rich with symbolism and historical meaning. Yet while the public admired the artwork, experienced collectors were paying attention to something else entirely. They were watching the production process. They knew that whenever a new coin series begins, unusual varieties and minting mistakes often emerge. History had proven this repeatedly, and the Sacagawea dollar would be no exception. The Denver Mint, identified by the small D mint mark beneath the date, was tasked with producing hundreds of millions of Sacagawea dollars during the launch year. Massive coin presses operated around the clock. Planchets flowed through production lines. Dies struck coin after coin with incredible speed. Yet even in a highly controlled environment, perfection is impossible. Dies wear down, equipment shifts, pressure fluctuates, small inconsistencies appear. These tiny variations, almost invisible to ordinary observers, are precisely what collectors search for, because they can transform an ordinary dollar into a fascinating collectible. One of the first characteristics specialists examine on a 2000D Sacagawea dollar is strike quality. A strong strike reveals sharp details throughout Sacagawea's portrait and the eagle design. Her facial features should appear clear. Individual strands of hair should remain visible. The folds of clothing should show depth. On some examples, however, these details appear softer than expected. Certain 2000D dollars display weak strikes caused by variations in striking pressure during production. While subtle, these differences provide valuable insight into the minting process and have become a topic of considerable interest among specialists studying the earliest Sacagawea issues. Collectors also inspect coins for die cracks, which develop when a working die begins to fracture after repeated use. When metal flows into these cracks, during striking, raised lines appear on the finished coin. Some die cracks remain small and difficult to notice. Others become dramatic features, stretching across large portions of the design. These mint-created characteristics provide a direct connection to the production history of the coin and often become highly collectible when well documented. Another fascinating category involves die chips and cuds. A die chip forms when a small fragment breaks away from the die surface. This missing area creates a raised blob or lump on every coin struck afterward. A cud occurs when a larger section near the rim breaks away. To many people, these features appear insignificant, but experienced numismatists understand that they represent genuine mint-created anomalies. Some collectors spend years searching through rolls and collections, hoping to discover examples that have escaped notice. The excitement intensifies when discussing doubled dies. These varieties originate during die creation and result in visible doubling on letters, numbers, or design elements. Under magnification, a genuine doubled die may reveal distinct separation between duplicated details. Because these characteristics are created before the coin is ever struck, they become permanent features of every coin produced from that die. Discovering one is like uncovering a hidden fingerprint left behind during the manufacturing process. Off-center strikes are among the most dramatic mint errors associated with modern coinage. They occur when a planchet is improperly positioned between the dies at the moment of striking. The resulting coin displays part of the design missing, while a blank crescent-shaped area remains visible. Broad strikes occur when the retaining collar fails to contain the metal, allowing the coin to expand beyond normal dimensions. Both errors are visually impressive and highly sought after by collectors because they provide unmistakable evidence that something unusual occurred during production. Wrong planchet errors represent another fascinating possibility. These occur when a coin is struck on a blank intended for a different denomination. The resulting piece may display unusual weight, size, thickness, or color characteristics. While rare, authenticated wrong planchet errors can attract substantial collector interest, they remind us that even in a sophisticated minting environment, extraordinary mistakes occasionally occur. As years passed, millions of 2000D Sacagawea dollars disappeared into collections, safety deposit boxes, and forgotten containers of loose change. Some were saved because they represented the first year of issue. Others simply accumulated over time. This widespread preservation created an interesting reality. Hidden among these coins may still be examples possessing overlooked characteristics that collectors continue searching for today. Every inherited collection, unopened roll, and neglected coin jar represents another opportunity for discovery. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of the 2000D Sacagawea dollar is that value is never determined by age alone. Most examples remain worth modest amounts in circulated condition. However, rarity, condition, grading, collector demand, and the presence of significant errors or varieties can dramatically influence desirability. Exceptional examples certified by professional grading services have attracted strong attention in the marketplace, proving that modern coins can sometimes generate excitement equal to that of much older issues. And that is what makes this coin so fascinating. It is not merely a dollar. It is a time capsule from the beginning of a new millennium. It is a piece of American history that traveled through cash registers, vending machines, bank rolls, and countless pockets. It carries stories of exploration, innovation, production challenges, and collector discoveries. Most importantly, it reminds us that hidden treasure does not always come from centuries past. Sometimes it arrives disguised as ordinary pocket change, waiting patiently for someone curious enough to look a little closer. Next up.